Welcome back to another video. Today we'll take a look at the Pancake Swap coin. So before going to the smaller time frames, I want to point out that on the 4-hour time frame we are seeing 3 consecutive bullish candles here forming 3 soldiers, which might result in a decent momentum here, which would give us the setup that we're looking for on the smaller time frames with 1:4 risk and reward ratio. So the setup here is very simple. As we recently formed the first wave of breakout, so we can see this, going to put it like that. So we had a strong breakout here. Then price topped out here, went for some kind of sideways movement. Let's even extend this one here. And now we are seeing yet another breakout structure forming or already formed, and now price is slowly going for that momentum breach here, which can give us a really good setup on the cake coin. Now the setup will be looking something like this. We go entry as of now right here, because going to the 5-minute time frame to give you a better example, we had this breakout here. So we had the breakout, we had some kind of retest. And now as price will go for yet another breakout from here, this would be the final confirmation for us, and this would be actually the ideal entry for us as well. So going to set or show you the stop loss areas and targets as well. As mentioned, the major target will be somewhere in this region, which is approximately like 1 point. I won't even going to guess the price, it's just going to point them like this. So 1.53, this is the major target, this is the secondary target, and this is the closest target that we are going to it. Where is it? Here. So the first or the closest target is going to be the market structure break area, where we had a strong downside movement without any proper retests. So if we see the breakout from here, this would be the first target for us, which would mean 2.9% of market price movement. Now, once we see the breakout here, or overall the setup is already active for us, going to enter into a long position after finishing this video. But stop loss, as we had this breakout here, so we had the first breakout, second breakout, the stop loss can be staying just here. It has to be somewhere in this region. So this would be the stop loss area for us as of now, because as long as price stays above this area, we are bullish. And to be even more risk-free, we can drag the stop loss somewhere in this region. So 1.34% of market price movement, or 1.4% can be lost on this position. Now, once we hit the first take profit area, of course, going to take 30% of profits here, 20% here, and going to close fully here. But with each take profit area, once we reach the first one, so this area here, stop loss gets moved. Once we do like this, stop loss gets moved here. And once we go here, stop loss gets moved. Whoop. Stop loss gets moved here. And if we would have another one, so on, so on. So we always move the stop loss. But as of now, the risk and reward ratio for us is basically 1 to 5, I would call it. 1 to 4.5, something like this. So going to go to the 5-minute time frame to check what's happening here before finishing this video, because we had a strong breakout here. Once again, mentioning, which already been mentioned. Now price topped out here with a smaller, nothing major actually. So topped out here. We had downside movement, upside, downside, so sideways channel formed here. Now went for another attempt here, which failed, and price is now going for yet another downside movement. Maybe we'll just go again here and bounce from here, and then eventually form another breakout structure that we are looking for. So overall, the setup looks pretty bullish. So the only logical way for us right as of now would be to go into a long position. But bear in mind, if by some miracle Twitter way we are going to see yet another tweet, then expect to see a strong downside movement. And if this zone will be broken or this zone will be reached even, then we can expect, or we are going to look for the breakdown, and then we are going to switch into a short position from this zone. But as of now, we're looking for the long position, so we are going to focus on this one. So that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow.